Hey guys, so there are some misconceptions about having a 265 gigabyte iPhone versus a 32 gigabyte iPhone. If you think about it, you may be thinking, well, I have a 32 gigabyte iPhone that might be enough storage for me and for pictures I have and all of that. But what you might not realizing is that your iPhone already has these apps, these built-in apps that comes with the iPhone itself right out of the bat. If you open your iPhone, if you just start your iPhone fresh new, you find these apps, and these apps are taking some storage. If we take, for example, this iPhone, this is a 256 gigabyte iPhone, and this iPhone is brand new. It doesn't have any apps installed whatsoever, except the apps that comes with the iPhone itself. And if we go to settings and we go to general, and if we try to erase this iPhone, erase all content, it already says erase 11 gigabyte worth of apps and data. And you might be thinking, where's that data coming from? I haven't done anything with this iPhone. I've just installed this iPhone. It's brand new. I don't even have iCloud on it. If you might see here, if I just go, I haven't even logged in with my Apple ID account. So you might be thinking, where's that data coming from? Well, once again, it's coming from those apps that are already installed on the iPhone. So if we go to, not now, go back, go to your iPhone storage, and we see here all these apps that are by default installed with your iPhone. And all these apps are at the moment very small, but they balloon over time. Because if I take, for example, this photo app, now I don't have any photos on it, but it already says it has a size of 5.2 megabyte. If we take the files app, I don't have any files on it once again, and it already says 5.5 megabytes. But if you are making your pictures, even your screenshots, even those pictures and those files are made out of data, and that data adds up to this photo app. So in about a couple of weeks or so, you find yourself that instead of 5.2 megabytes for your photo app, you might have like a couple of gigabytes for your photo app. And why am I saying all of this? Well, there are some people who think, well, I go for a cheap iPhone like this iPhone 6s, and this iPhone 6s just has a 32 gigabyte worth of storage. And it's not 32 gigabyte worth of storage, it's even less than that. And then you might be filming 4K videos and all of that, and before you know it, and you have your WhatsApp and your messages app, and you get data like memes and videos is been sent it to you, and before you know it, you have a 28 gigabyte of data, and you don't know where that's coming from. And I'm not even talking about all that caches that your iPhone is storing. See, I've just made a screenshot, and that 5.2 megabyte is now already at 8.9 megabytes. If I take a couple of screenshots and I close this settings app and I go back to settings, general, iPhone storage, it's already at 14.7 megabyte. It's just like that. It happens very fast. So be very careful with buying a low storage iPhone. Now in 2022, it's very hard to it's very hard to maintain your data on a 32 gigabyte iPhone. Make sure to buy at least 128 gigabyte. That's the base storage of an iPhone required. I'm not saying just go and blow your money on an iPhone 13. That's not what I'm saying here. What I'm saying though is look on the if you are interested of buying a new iPhone, make sure to look for at least 128 gigabyte. If you look at the iPhone 11 Pro, for example, you'll find many iPhones with 128 gigabytes as storage that comes with that. So yeah, if you want to have value for your money, make sure to buy enough data that comes with your iPhone. So that's actually my 2 cents. I hope you've got anything out of it. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video. That helps me a lot. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for all your supports, guys. I read your messages. I read your comments. It means the world to me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.